Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover technical confluence in between support and resistance levels and ray lines. First, as always, we're going to talk about the theory and then we're going to head to the chart so you can see examples live. If you haven't seen the previous videos for drawing support and resistance zones and all that ebb and flow of the market and all the other videos, please head back and watch those because those tie into what I'm going to talk about now. So as we know from previous videos, drawing the ray lines is fairly easy by just connecting the highs or the lows from different up and down trends. So let's see how we can couple this with support and resistance zones. The horizontal lines by themselves are good, but they're not fantastic. The oblique lines by themselves, the ray lines, they're good, but they're not fantastic. When you couple these together, you actually end up getting as close as you can to an actual turning point in the market. And we're going to head to the charts right now so you can see this in visual form. All right, guys, so now that we're on the chart, we're going to see a confluence in between structure, support, and resistance level and an actual trend line. So first of all, let's have a look at the structure support level. We've chosen this level. Obviously, it's a very major level. And we're going to see how price behaves once it enters this level. Now, since this is a downward trend, we're going to draw an trend line from the top of the bars, like so. Now we're going to move forward in time. We see that price actually entered the support zone, bounced off it multiple times, broke our trend line again, came back up, stagnating, coming forward. And as you see, as it touches the trend line and a trend line intersection with a support level, you can see that it touched it twice, touched it again, created a double bottom, and now it just literally just jumped right off it. That's what we mean about confluence in between structure, support, and resistance levels with trend lines. Thanks for watching this video, and now, as always, take 30 to 45 minutes and try to find these turning points in the market by combining ray lines and historical support and resistance levels and see how the market turns from them. Because as we all know, repetition is the mother of all skill. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.